Aloha, this is Donya. Welcome to my world of free play songwriting. So I'm Donya, I'm a music coach, also a passionate ukelista, and I'm here to guide you on a transformative journey through music, and in this case, storm and rain. Anyway, on this channel we explore the art of playing the baritone ukulele, as well my new passion, the guitar, and the main focus of writing songs through the art of the free play, where it's no classical musical know-how needed. Because I believe in the healing power of music and the freedom it offers. So my mission is to lead you in an artistically self-fulfilled life, where you can express yourself and connect with your inner creativity. So join me in our interactive workshops or become supportive of a spiritual community dedicated to creating and healing through the universal language of music. So through my tutorials here, I want to gain followers who were eager to dive with me into the world of the free play and engage you with my content, or maybe you consider to be my Patreon, where you can get the PDF and sometimes MP3 and extra bonus points to study, to practice. Or I will be available for you by one lesson. But anyway, are you ready to go? So in the last weeks we already talked about the free play, how to use the scales and what their connections are. But now we will check out and explore the profound connection between chakras and musical vibration, what we can do and how we can create songs. So let's talk about chakras. So what are they? Chakras are energy centers within our bodies, and each is corresponding to a specific tone and vibrations. By understanding these connections, we can use music to dissolve blockage and restore harmony within ourselves. But before I dive into the chakra, we have to fully grasp this, and let's talk about the fundamental tones and overtones. The fundamental tone is the bass note. It's the heartbeat of any piece of music. It's like the core of our existence, resonating with the true essence, I would say. Yes, and the overtones are the subtle vibrations that enrich the fundamental tone, adding depth and brilliance. They are like the whispers of the universe, revealing the deeper truths beyond the obvious. So let's grab the guitar, because also if you choose a different instrument, it can connect and vibrate with a specific chakra or psychological thing. So before we had the regular nylon strings, now I head over to the steel strings, and maybe I just play the same sequence what I played in the beginning. So for me, it's touching me deeper, and I feel the sparkles of the universe, and I feel more connected. Also, the wood can play a role in a healing property because, for example, what can I say? Maple wood. Maple wood, for instance, is grounding and can help us to connect with our higher self and reducing restlessness and prompting divine connection. So you can use it for the root and crown chakra as well. So now dive back to the chakras. We have 7. And the chakras are energy centers. They are like turning wheels, and 5,000 before Christ, the Vedic or the Upanishad, they already developed that kind of energy wheel and therapy and music, including to heal. So anyway, the chakras are energy centers along the spine. So each is linked to different aspects of our physical and emotional well-being. From the root chakra at the base of the spine to the crown chakra of the top of our head, each plays a crucial role in our overall health. But today I'm not diving deep into it because each week I talk about each chakra, which key we will use, and how we can work out. So another very, very, very important aspect is the cosmic octave, which was developed by a German great guy and his friends who live around the corner here in Munich. It's the cosmic octave by Hans Kusto. And especially we music and sound therapists, we are using this therapy because we can stimulate and balance our chakras. The cosmic octave is a concept connecting the microcosm to the macrocosm and allows us to align with the universe vibration, achieving a profound healing and expanded consciousness. Hans Kuster did develop a formula where you can calculate the sound of the moon, of our earth, which is the main key. It's like and 432 frequency, so we can tune our instrument for it, and this is where we are connected and feel like steady, settled on the place. So these things are so important. So for example, try an exercise. Just play C. And outside the thunder parallel to the sea. And feel inside, where is it connecting, touching? Or maybe is it C minor? Or is it C major? So I felt it is going deep in my lower body. So there you can start to listen to your heart, to your body, mind and soul, because C is for the root chakra. And so you can figure out what you want to express or deal with yourself, how you can get connected to the music, to yourself, to the universe. So this was like a tiny close up of what we were expecting in the next tutorial, that I jump on each key, on each chakra with its frequency by Hans Kusto, and how we can work. And to dive deeper into it, I gonna start soon my concept about music therapy and free art, free play songwriting, so we can dive deeper into this world, because it won't match in a tiny tutorial. But I hope you got a tiny impression how you can work to create songs and heal yourself and be connected to Pachamama. So thank you for joining me on this musical journey, and I hope you did the tiny self-discovery and the tiny healing period through this tutorial. And please remember, every note you play is a step towards inner harmony and spiritual growth. Don't forget to like me, to subscribe me, or hit the bell. And feel free to watch my other tutorial. Until the next time, and keep playing and stay in tune with your inner self. Love you. See you soon. Doña.